Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up donations on Twitch. To get started, open a new tab in your browser and go to streamlabs.com. In the top right corner, click Log In and choose Twitch. Authorize the connection, and you'll be signed into Streamlabs. By default, you'll land on the dashboard. On the left side, scroll down to find the section called Earn and Grow. Then click Tipping. This is where you can enable donations. First, you'll need to connect a payment method. The easiest option is PayPal. Click Connect, sign in with your PayPal account, and confirm. Once connected, you'll see your tipping page. You can customize the design, choose your currency, and adjust how it looks. When you are done, copy the link to your tipping page. Now, open Twitch and click your profile icon, then select Creator Dashboard. Go to Settings, then Channel. Here you can paste your donation link into your bio or add it as a panel. That's it. Your donation link is now live on your Twitch channel, and viewers can use it to support you whenever you stream. Thanks for watching.